Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. While working on this 24 volt power supply, linear power supply, and its input DC stage at these 2 points 48 volts, then it regulates 24 volt at the output, and suddenly it stopped working. Now it is providing 48 volt. When I opened it, I checked its regulator bank is short circuited. Here are tip 35C transistors, 4 in parallel, 25 ampere transistor in parallel, 4, and this one is a driver. If I check collector to emitter, it is giving short circuit. And if I check here, it is also giving short circuit, collector to emitter. Now I will isolate one by one, because if any one transistor is damaged, all the circuit will stop working. I removed emitters. I disconnected emitter pins. Collector to emitter short circuited. This transistor collector to emitter short circuited. And collector to base, short circuit. This transistor is good. This transistor good. 2 transistors out of 4 damaged. Same way I will disconnect one pin, that is emitter pin. Collector to emitter, now no short circuit. Collector to base, this transistor good. Now this is base pin, base to collector short circuit, base to emitter short circuit. This one short circuit. Because 2 transistors are short circuit base to emitter, so we will find base to emitter short circuit here. Normally base to emitter must be open. Using Darlington pair, if many transistors are in parallel, all collectors are connected together, emitters are connected together, bases are connected together, and one transistor is driving. Any one out of all bank, if any one transistor will get short circuit, all the bank will provide short circuit. So our problem now, these 2 transistors, first this one and this one. That is reason we are finding short circuit at this stage. Now I will disconnect these 2 transistors. This is short circuit. So I isolated 2 short circuit transistors. I removed the base pins. Now base to emitter short circuit is finished. Now collector of 2 transistors, this one and this one. And now if I will check this one, here short circuit, this transistor damaged. Same way here and here. Now if I will connect this one back to the board, now here is no short circuit. if from driver bank any transistor becomes short circuit between base to collector, we will find short circuit here and we will find short circuit here. Now even if I will use only two transistors, the power supply current will degrade it before this. If 25, 25, 25, 25, 100 ampere. Now if I will use only two transistors, 100 ampere, that is extreme highest level. Normally in this condition, when there is a power bank, half of the current is considered. That means 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, maximum 50 ampere current that is possible from this power supply. So in my case now, I will arrange these two transistors that are short circuit. Here is good. Now if I will check this one, base to collector, okay, base to emitter, okay, base to collector, base to emitter, collector, emitter. Now I will connect these two pins that are good one. Sometimes when we are working on high power stages, there are multiple transistors. Here are only 4 transistors. Sometimes there are 20 transistors in parallel, especially when we are working local made inverters or the old-fashioned solar inverters. There is a complete bank of the transistors. Might be one transistor due to any reason, might be due to overcurrent, over temperature, any stress. One transistor will damage, all the system will stop functioning because all transistors are in parallel and just only one transistor is making short circuit in parallel. Now I connected all connections and now I will check its output. Common. This is collector pin. 49 volt input. Output 24 volt from these two transistors. But if we see output from this emitter, it was providing exactly 49 volt output. So this was our problem, that these two transistors that make short circuit here, these were failing the regulation. But now these two transistors are providing regulation. I will arrange these two transistors now. I will install it here. So just I need two transistors. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.